Hey guys, my channel, which has basically become anti-furry central. I wanted to show you this bird I found while I was taking a really long morning walk that my parents forced me to go on. So, we found this baby bird. We didn't know where its mother was, so we took it in and we kept him in his box. My dad made sure to poke holes in it so it would be able to breathe. Of course, you can't have an animal without having air holes to breathe in a box. Well, I named it Voletant because the definition of Voletant is to take flight. And I'm not really good at doing names and stuff. You guys hear that? It just tweeted. Shh, shh. Oh yeah, also...
You can't see anything.
Oh, thanks, Dad. My dad says he is... What's it called again, Dad?
It's a dove. It's a white-winged dove.
It's a white-winged dove. And my mom's gonna try and feed him some peanuts, so I'll give you another video update in like maybe a few hours or minutes or so. So, let's check out my other pets.
Yeah, he's that way.
I'm not allowed to show you my headquarters. Oh, there's the beast himself, Neolite. I'm training him to go into Furry HQ and steal the furry queens. And probably bite up the furries' fursuits. So, he's just eating some kibble. And he's a really playful pup. Oh, sorry. Make sure there's no poop on the ground. Let's see if I can spot my cats.
Right, if you're doing that, it's best to hold up the video so they see where you're going.
Don't see my cats anywhere. Still see their feeding pan.
Good boy on the lawn. Where's your shoe?
Oh yeah. Let's just have a snack.
Well, stop it then, Raj.
Well,
Raj, stop it. If you're Raj,
I'm on it.
watch that. If you're walking and the thing is on the ground, nobody will watch that.
Dad, I'm going to go get my shoes.
Okay, fine. I'll leave it here.
Sorry guys, you're gonna have to cover up the camera for a little bit. Please stand by. Okay, Mom. Okay, also, protect every animal you see from the furries. We all know what they do to animals. We all know. We have the knowledge to know what they do to the animals. It's nasty and disgusting. Gonna go along the line and see if I can find the cats. Stand by. Please stand by for blacks until those scenes are strong again, because I can't show you my house. Like, I don't know who is watching this. Probably not a lot of people. But okay. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. As you can see, a very vast yard that I haven't shown you. So, hopefully you guys like the scenery here, because it's a really big place. And I have a mango tree right there. I have a lot of trees here. I live in like a tropical climate, but I'm not going to tell you which country I live in, because I don't know who's watching. The FBI may be watching, and hopefully I don't see anything that offends him. So please stand by. I'm gonna go get something else. So, guys, can't show you in the house. Can't show you the faces of the people, including myself. I know I said I was gonna do a face reveal, but my parents say I couldn't. So, well, I'm unable to do a face reveal, but that's okay.
Hold on there. You just have the circles. Make sure you close the side door. Please, Dad.
Oh yeah, they also, Mom. Oh yeah, this is my front yard, and they also have this beastly weapon. Back, you see its glory, this glorious weapon, and it's a Nagi-hammer, a combination of a hammer and a naginata. Oh, yeah. This weapon's really long, so it's hard to get a full shot of it. This is the side that be able to slice and dice. Definitely helpful for getting furries out your base and away from your animals and pets. And I also learned to develop, I call this one the Nagi-hammer Slasher Cyclone. And when the furry general comes around, slice. Okay. Oh yeah, there's also a smashing side. You do the exact same thing with that side. So I'm gonna end the video here. I know I really don't upload a lot, but here is a nice shot. I'm gonna give you one last shot of the bird. Good. So, if this video is able to get out, which I hope it will be able to, I'm just gonna give you one last shot of Voletant. Never mind, he's been covered up. So, also, remember, protect your animals from the furries. Always do that.